started at 12. That's okay. I can have a beer at this time on my day off. But I want to film this video because it's funny. Let's see what happens. If there's ever a time, it's now. Honestly. I've got a great job. I'm chilling. Don't have to worry about people being weird if I have blue hair. I'm in Cairns and I don't know anybody really here, so. And the few people I do know have already told me not to do it, so fine. But I can always go back to this kind of bleached blonde roots look anyway. And this was by accident anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Okay, this is gonna be on the roots, fingers crossed. Still has left. Cool. I'm at the shower. Oh my god. Sweating. Whew. So we'll wait till it dries and then I'll show you. Can't get in the sun. So I should get it back in the light really. So I don't know if you can see, but like the colour and stuff. I feel like I'm getting used to it now. So I dyed my hair blue. It's amazing, huh?